Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to change the battery on a Toyota key fob. What I have here is the key fob for a Toyota vehicle, and the battery replacement procedure is actually very simple. All that you need is a small screwdriver just like this. Now if you take a look over here on the side of the little handle for the key fob, you can see a little indentation. It's a little opening. What you want to do is you want to use that opening along with a small screwdriver just like this to pry apart the key fob. You can also use your fingernails and your fingers if they're strong enough, but I'm just going to use this little flathead screwdriver. So I'm just going to place it into the slot, and I'm just going to twist the screwdriver, and as you can see, that will pry it apart, okay? Now the screwdriver head actually fell out. I'm just going to put it back in just like that. And I'm going to continue using the screwdriver to pry apart the key fob just like that. Now when you have an opening that's large enough, what you can do is you can just pull it apart just like that. Now we actually have this part right here. So I'm just going to pull it out just like that and turn it around. And then you can see that the battery is actually contained inside of there. Now I'm just going to place this panic button back in place over there. It just popped out, but I'll just put it back in after. So what you want to do is you want to actually take this piece apart right here. Now this is a little bit harder to take apart. It basically clips into place, but what you want to do is you want to try and pry it off. So you want to focus on one side. I'm pulling off the clip and I'm pulling this piece off right here. What's going to happen is you're going to actually expose the battery. Now once you've exposed the battery, you can actually remove it. So just for the record, this is a CR2016 battery, and it's a 3-volt battery. So to remove the battery, you're just actually going to take a flathead screwdriver just like this, or anything that you can use to sort of get in there, and you want to pop it out of place just like that. So you're going to take this battery, you're going to put it aside. And what you want to do is you want to replace it with a new battery. So I'm going to take this new battery right here and I want to pop it in place. Now make sure that you are orienting it the right way. As you can see, I have the positive side right here, the plus sign, facing upwards when I'm holding the key fob like this. Now make sure that it is oriented the right way. Basically the same way that you found it when you took it apart. So to install it, you're going to just you want to slide this in, and you see how that little piece over there slides, that metal piece. You want to slide that in, and then you want to sort of work it until you can get the battery down. So I'm sliding it under the plastic pieces and then just pushing it downwards just like that. Now we're going to put everything back together. So I'm going to take this part right here that we removed, make sure that it lines up properly, and then just simply click it into place just like that. And what we want to do is we want to place it back into place. So the actual buttons are coming out, so I'm going to show you how to put them back in place. If the buttons are coming out just like they are right here, you want to just basically place them back into position, just like that. Make sure that they are oriented the right way. Okay, let's just get this, this panic button right here back into place. Let's try one more time so that it doesn't fall through. Just like that. And then what you want to do is you want to take this portion right here that had the battery in it, put it back in place just like that. Make sure that the buttons are nice and in place. And then you want to get this last portion, the back cover, and just clip it down. And it's literally that simple. That is how to change the battery on a Toyota key fob. Very, very simple. This is the key fob for a Toyota vehicle. And I've shown you exactly how to change the battery. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.